5 graduates of Maryam Abacha American University of Niger MAAUN Maradi have secured scholarships to pursue their master's degree in Italy. The students, who are citizens of Niger Republic, made the disclosure when they paid a visit to President of MAAUN, Professor Abacha Gorzo, on Friday in Niamey. The students, who graduated in various fields of study from MAAUN Niger, thanked Professor Gorzo for his giant strides towards the development and promotion of education sector not only in Niger Republic but across African sub-region. They also lauded Professor Gorzo for his commitment to provide opportunities for teeming youths to acquire knowledge and skills in different fields and professions, for them to prepare themselves for life challenges. According to them, they were able to secure the Italy Master Degree Scholarship in view of the fact that their alma mater is fully recognized by the Minister of Technical Education and Professional Studies. In his remarks, Professor Gorzo appreciated the former student of the university for taking the courtesy to pay him the visit. Professor Gorzo, who described the students as talented and hardworking, noted that their aspiration for academic excellence will spur them to realize their dreams in life. He therefore charged them to face their studies with seriousness and always be good ambassadors of their alma mater and country.